Hi everybody, welcome to this week's 52 Hikes, 52 Weeks suggestion. We are going to go to two neighborhoods this week. They are right next to each other. It's CapHill and North CapHill. The long words, of course, are Capitol Hill. So we are going to enjoy a great hike. You, not me, are going to go enjoy a great hike through the CapHill neighborhoods. This is a super fun time. And why did I give you this hike for this week? Because it's St. Patrick's Day, and the St. Patrick's Day parade in Denver is one of the largest parades in the United States for St. Patrick's Day, and it goes through part of this route. So you can go and kind of check out, kind of preview where the route is, or if you go to the parade on the 17th, you can do this walk as part of enjoying that parade. So you'll go through Capitol Hill, you'll see why some signs have remained and what the history is behind some of the signs. You'll see some of the old mansions, and if you have time, if you're there on the weekday, make time to go into the Capitol and go on the Capitol tour. They are free. I think they're every hour on the hour. Just double check the Capitol's website to make sure there's no changes for the week, and go take advantage of the tour. If you can't make it to the tour and you're there during the weekday, at least go inside the Capitol, and there's a self-guided tour through the rotunda, and you can see some of the really cool things in the Capitol. So if you haven't been there, take time to go do it. Otherwise, if you've been there, go or not go again, but definitely make sure you do the Capitol Hill hike and get your green on, get your Irish on. I've got my Ireland shirt on just for you because this is your St. Patrick's Day hike. Enjoy, have a good time. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe, send me some notes, send me some love. Let me know that you are walking and hiking, and tagging all your pictures with Denver by foot so I can see them. Talk to you later.